How many ledgers you have completed?
What's up?
How many ledgers you have completed?
Sir, I'm like drawing all the for that one for all the accounts. Like I've done like for cash account, capital, purchase account, and Gopal account. I'm like drawing the rest of the sales, Ram account, trade account. So there will be also there's only one transaction of like that one discount allowed account. So but like the ledger will be there for that also.
Yes. For any single transaction also you have to create ledger.
Okay. So I've started the ledger. Okay.
You have completed the ledger.
No, no, no. I'm like, I said like I'm doing the ledger right now. Like I'm in, uh, what do you say, like cash account.
So you have completed any other account yet?
So capital account. But like, sir, that like I write the transactions, but that thing I don't know how to do exactly. Like,
How to do the
CD and
next step?
BD. Yeah, the CD and BD. Last one.
Okay. Can you see the
Like, can
screen?
you show me? Okay.
Like here. Can you tell me the amount of cash account, debit and credit side amount?
For like which transaction?
All the transaction. All the amount.
All? Okay, for
Yes.
like the total cash amount.
No, no. Every item individually.
Okay, so for the first transaction, like capital one, it's
Just
like
tell me
1
the
lakh.
amount. Just tell me the amount.
Okay, 1 lakh. Then 5,000. Then what do you say? Then it's 2,000.
It's
Then 2,000. There it is 3,950 and 50 of like discount allowed, including 4,000.
no,
Then
here it will be written only 3,950.
okay, then 700.
These all are on the debit side.
No, some are on credit and some are on debit.
So you have to tell me the side.
Okay. I'm so sorry. Yeah, actually, the 1 lakh was on debit. That is correct. And the 5,000 will be on credit side. And
So
then,
you have written like this. I ask you the amount serial wise, and you are saying one item of the debit, other item of the credit side.
yeah, 'cause like at its D, okay, yeah, it's like
Tell me again.
1 lakh on the debit side.
Tell me all the amount of debit side first.
Okay. So it will be,
You have not written all the amount.
no, I'm like, I'm looking from the journal entry. Just one
So
second.
you have not prepared ledger yet.
No, that's what I'm saying. I'm doing it. And then
Leave. I'm doing some example. Then I'm not.
3,950.
Just wait. I'm giving you one example. You have not completed any ledger. How can you understand by that? So 10,000, 5,000, 3,000, 7,000 on the debit side, 5,000, 2,000, 700, 1,000 on the credit side. Now, after writing all the items, you have to calculate total of each side separately. So on the debit side, it is 10, 5, 15, 3, 18, 7, 25,000. Okay. On the credit side, it is 5, 2, 7, 7, 1, 8, 8,700. So you have to see which one is highest, which one is higher. Okay. So debit side total is higher. So we will write this debit side total in both side 25,000, 25,000. So the higher amount will be written in total column of debit and credit. After that,
Okay.
you will deduct all these items from this amount. So 25,000 minus 8,700. So it will be 16,300. balance, and it will be written as by balance CD. Again, this balance will be written on the opposite side below the total to balance BD 16,300.
Okay.
In the same manner, if in any account, let's say you are preparing capital account, let's say there is journal entry cash account debit to capital account. So here it is by cash account 1 lakh. So there is no other item in this account. So if I total this 1 lakh, then here it will be to balance CD 1 lakh. Because on the debit side, amount is 0. On the credit side, it is 1 lakh. So higher amount is obviously 1 lakh. So 1 lakh in both side total, and 1 lakh minus 0 will be 1 lakh. So here it will be again written by balance BD 1 lakh. Understood?
Okay, okay, sir.
Now calculate the total and balance fast. Actually, again, you are taking too much time. You are not tired today. So do it fast.
Yes, sir, but like it takes time because I don't like I didn't know how to do it exactly. That's why
But you
I'm
have
doing
solved
it.
many question of ledger. Yes?
That's all because of your help, right?
No, no. With my help, I know because you are not doing homework from that time. That's what I said in previous class, that you are not doing your homework properly from previous some classes. So that is the issue. When you don't solve any question by yourself as homework, then you'll not be able to understand this in future. So again, you are doing same mistake. You are not preparing any question of trial balance by you. You have not done a single portion of trial balance as homework.
Yes, sir.
So how do you think that you will perform in exam if there is any exam related to these chapters? What do you think? And there is one thing that is very clear, that if you are not expecting good marks in accountancy, then there is no issue. But if you are thinking that you will get good marks, if you are thinking of 60 or 65, then okay, no problem. But if you are thinking near 80 or 90, then you have to do some practice. Otherwise, there is no benefit.
Yes, sir.
So tell me, if you are thinking that yes, 50 or 60 marks is okay for you, then okay, I will not say that do your homework from the next class. Tell me,
Yes, sir.
okay with 50, 60 marks, then I will not ask for solving homework from the next class.
No, I want more like around. Like I'm doing the ledger for cash account right now, and there's one transaction for like April 20. It's like cash account debit, discount allowed, discount allowed account debit to Gopal account. So like, can you tell me like how to write it in ledger?
Again, tell me, can you
There's
repeat
like,
the journal entry?
yeah, it's on April 20, cash account debit, discount allowed account debit to Gopal account.
Cash account debit, discount allowed account debit to Gopal account.
Yes, and
So,
the cash account debit amount is 3,950 and discount allowed account debit amount is 50
so
and
in
to
cash
Gopal it's
account,
4,000.
okay, okay, understood. In cash account, the entry will be on the debit side to Gopal 3,950. In discount allowed, it will be on the debit side to Gopal 50. And in Gopal account, it will be on the credit side by cash, by discount 3950 and 50.
But like cash account and discount allowed both are debit, right? In the journal entries. So it should be
Yes.
on the credit side in the ledger, right?
No, no. In cash
Or like,
account, when you prepare cash account, you write the opposite account name.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. Sorry, not the cash account. The discount allowed account is like a debit in the journal. So it should be on the credit side in
No,
the
no,
ledger,
it
right?
should be debited. In discount allowed account, you have to pass entry on the debit side because it is in the debit side of journal. So in the side, in the account is written in journal entry. You have to write on the same side in ledger also. See the ledger concept. I have given you the theory concept. You have written it. So just read that and then try to solve ledger if you have any problem. But try to complete the question before our next class. If there is any confusion, no issue. Just complete the question with incorrect data. Not an issue. Okay.
Okay. And
But solve the question, complete it. It is not like that that in next class again you are saying, sir, I have some confusion, so I have not completed the. I don't want to listen this.
hmm,
Okay.
so, sir, for example, like the first transaction cash account debit to capital account. So capital account is on the credit side, right? But
Yes.
in the ledger it will be on the debit side, right? To capital.
You have to see the account in which you are writing.
Yeah,
In which
it's
account
like
you are writing? Tell me the account name first.
in the ledger.
Yes.
In ledger, I'm talking about cash account. So in
Yes. In
cash,
cash account, you have to write it on the debit side to capital account.
okay, okay.
And in
So
capital account, it will be by cash account on the
yeah.
credit side.
So the same thing like if the other things, for example, they are they are coming on the debit side, for example. So like the same thing I asked for discount allowed, but you're
Yes,
saying that will
discount.
also be
Yes, I am saying that in discount allowed account, it will be written on the
no, no,
debit
no,
side.
no. Discount allowed account. I wasn't talking about the ledger. I was like I said the transaction name. I'm talking about cash account only. In cash account, discount allowed account, like it will be coming on the credit side, right? Because it is
No,
a
in cash
transaction
account,
of
you
debit
don't,
side.
just wait. In cash account, you don't have to write discount allowed. In cash account, you have to write the opposite account name. So if you see, cash account and discount allowed are both on the debit side. Yes.
Yes.
So discount allowed is not opposite of cash account. Gopal is opposite of cash account. So you have to write
O-
Gopal in cash account.
Okay. 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 So
Okay,
April
understood?
20. So yeah, so this will be on the debit side, right? As it is on credit side in journal.
What you said, can you repeat?
I said like so this to Gopal will be on the debit side, right?
Yes, to Gopal on the debit side.
To Gopal.